I'm here at Hair for All, having another hair system done. I want to hope you and see my end results.
So obviously you know the drill. I don't need to go through any of the training with you because you know you've been here a few times with us. I'm just going to check your template, get it all into place. I'll put a little line around where we're going to go.
Yeah.
Obviously you've had a haircut. I know you love to go to your barber, but yes, in answer to your question off of camera, we need to address some of this.
Yeah.
Okay, style-wise, are you thinking of going with what we normally do?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, okay. Bit of length in there anyway, so you can always go shorter with it if you did want to, yeah?
Yeah.
As you know, we'll then sit you at the basin, bick it all off, get the mud mask on, exfoliate your head, and get the system on and cut it.
Yeah.
Alright? So it's a good day. Head up, I lift your eyes up again. Excellent. Drop them again. Just the line going, alright? Lift your eyebrows out. Perfect.
Perfect.
Absolutely perfect, alright?
Yeah, spot on.
So today, what you used to have is you used to have extender bond, and then you used to have phantom at the front.
I said, what
Yeah?
blue, yeah.
Yeah, you happy to keep going on with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so mud mask is going on now, as you know.
Yeah.
Stays on for about 15 or 20 minutes just to draw all the oils out of your scalp. Eyebrows up again, perfect, and down again. Head all the way back. Okay, perfect. So you've got the scalp protector on, we're just going to leave it on for a sec. I'm going to go and get your glue. Halfway through doing the glue, we'll tape up, get it all on and cut it in, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so glue's gone nice and clear. Extender bond all the way over the system, apart from the front that you like to leave with your glue, alright?
Yeah.
It's going to tickle your nose a little bit. say, I'm going to use a little bit of light product, okay? So it's a similar to what you've been used to, but remember to steer clear of all the hard products like the waxes and the rock hard hairsprays and things like that. Right, how does that feel?
Yeah, much better.
Yeah? I'm going to
Yeah.
take this gown off of you before I show you the back. It looks really, really, really good. The only alteration you might make is if you ever go higher with your skin fade again, we could take off a little bit more of these side bits.
Yeah.
But at the moment they have to blend with that. I think it looks absolutely on point. I think it looks really, really, really good. So you've now got your hair back.
Lovely.
I love it. Look at that side as well.
Better job, innit? Thank you.
Loads. Really, really like it.
Just had my hair done. Looks on point now. Big thumbs up to Hair for All. Highly recommend.